The Metcal cartridge is made of a heater of proprietary design consisting of a non-heating copper core and an outer heating layer of magnetic alloy. The composition of the alloy predetermines the tip temperature. As a high-frequency current is passed over the heater, the magnetic alloy causes the current flow to become confined to the skin. This is the skin effect. The resulting high current density causes rapid heating. As it heats up, the magnetic alloy passes through its Curie point temperature, and it loses its magnetic properties. This eliminates the skin effect, causing the migration of current to the low-resistance non-heating copper core of the heater. As the tip cools slightly, the alloy passes back through the Curie point temperature, and its magnetic properties are restored. The skin effect immediately returns, and heating begins again, repeating the cycle. Thus, the tip self-regulates very close to the Curie point, maintaining constant temperature. As the tip temperature is constant, and the heat is not stored in the tip like a conventional soldering iron, the SmartHeat system applies direct power to the joint.